Coral restoration, reviving our oceans. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and crucial topic: coral restoration. This is not just about beautiful underwater scenes. It's about the health of our oceans. So, let's explore what coral restoration really means and why it's so important. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea. They are colorful, vibrant ecosystems that are home to a quarter of all marine species. However, they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor. Reefs are not just rocks. They are living organisms. They provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for countless marine animals. Unfortunately, coral reefs face many threats. Climate change, pollution, overfishing, and physical damage are just a few. When corals are stressed, they expel the algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn white, a process known as coral bleaching. Bleached coral is weak and can die, harming the entire ecosystem. Coral restoration is the process of helping damaged coral reefs recover. It involves several techniques like growing corals in nurseries and then transplanting them to damaged areas. Scientists and conservationists also work on breeding corals that can withstand harsh conditions and educating the public on the importance of reefs. There are various techniques in coral restoration. Some involve fragmentation, where pieces of healthy coral are broken off and reattached to degraded areas. Others use coral nurseries, where corals are grown from small fragments until they are strong enough to survive in the wild. Local communities play a crucial role in coral restoration. They help in monitoring and protecting the reefs. Moreover, technology is a game changer. Drones, for example, are used for mapping reefs and monitoring progress. There's also research into 3D printed coral structures that provide a base for coral growth. Coral restoration is an essential step towards healing our oceans. It's about preserving biodiversity, protecting coastal regions, and maintaining the balance of marine life. We hope this video has shed light on this vital topic and inspired you to learn more and perhaps even get involved. Remember, every small effort counts in saving our beautiful reefs. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.